Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pumpkin leaves. First, select fresh, tender leaves, ensuring they are free from blemishes. Thoroughly wash them under cool, running water to remove any dirt or grit. Next, carefully remove the tough, fibrous stems and any stringy outer layers from the leaves. Finally, chop the cleaned leaves into manageable pieces, about 1 inch to 2 inches in length, preparing them for your chosen cooking method. This initial preparation is crucial for a delicious outcome. Once your pumpkin leaves are prepped, you have several fantastic cooking options. Sautéing them in a pan with a little oil for 5 to 7 minutes is quick and keeps them vibrant. Steaming for about 10 minutes is another healthy choice, ensuring they remain tender. For stews or soups, boiling them for 15 to 20 minutes will soften them perfectly. Or, try a quick stir-fry with aromatics for a flavorful dish in under 10 minutes. To truly elevate the taste of your pumpkin leaves, consider adding some key flavor enhancers. Sautéing with finely chopped garlic and onions provides a wonderful aromatic base. A squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice just before serving can brighten the entire dish. For a richer, creamier texture, stir in a 1/4 cup of coconut milk during the last few minutes of cooking. Don't forget a pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. Now that your delicious pumpkin leaves are ready, it's time to enjoy them. They make an excellent, nutritious side dish alongside grilled fish, chicken, or any protein. You can also incorporate them into a hearty vegetable stew or a flavorful curry for a complete meal. For a simpler approach, serve them with a bowl of steamed rice or a traditional staple like fufu. A sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds adds a lovely texture and nutty flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.